Alright, so this here is one of my favorite candies made by, well, if I didn't cover it up, Necco, Necco, and they do the candy buttons. One of my most favorite candies is Cadbury cream eggs, but they're not around all year round. So, Necco, Necco, makes these candy buttons that are like really awesome. So, I'm going to show you how much I like these. So these are the candy buttons. You got your, I don't know if it's like strawberry cinnamon. It kind of has a little bit of a cinnamon taste to it. In the middle, the yellow is your lemon. And your blue ones are actually lime flavored, even though they're blue. So, bear with me as I try to eat these as fast as I can. I'm going to start with the pink on there. And watch it. Get the paper off of it. Oh man, I'm doing this a little too quick. There's a certain method you gotta do it. Peel it off a certain way. Kinda gotta fold the paper just a little. And get off the paper. So the whole one side I just ate it. You gotta get a really good rhythm to it, so you can eat them. So you can eat these at a good speed. Now I'm gonna eat this whole side of it. Okay. I'm already at about 3 minutes. Dropped one. Okay. I only missed one of these. Oh wait. Here it is, stuck to my shirt. Ate every one of these. Okay. So, in 4 minutes and 15 seconds, I explained them and ate an entire sheet of them. So, what you gotta do is you gotta get a good rhythm to them, and you gotta go in sequence to thoroughly eat all of them as fast as you can. So I say go in sequence. Start here, then eat it, eat that one, 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 eat that, eat that, eat that, and just eat them on down the line. That's how you eat these things really quick. So, I'm going to see how fast I can eat a strip, or how many of them I can eat in a minute. Okay, for this, Alexa, set the living room to 100%.
Okay.
So you got your pink, they kind of look orange, then the yellow, then the blue, and the, yeah. So you got like strawberry cinnamon is what it kind of tastes like, and then you got the yellow ones are lemon, and the green and the blue are basically lime. Let's see how soon I can eat a strip. Strip is just really one long one, like this, and it's just a repeating pattern. And they fold it over, makes it easier to package, easier to eat. So I'm going to see how many of these I can, eat in a minute. I'm going to set the timer. Alexa, set timer for 1 minute.
1 minute, starting now.
Other side. Alexa, stop. So in exactly 1 minute, I can eat an entire side. You know how many candy buttons that is? You're going to go down 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48. I can eat 48 candy buttons in a single minute. So, let's see how fast we can do this other side. Keep in mind it's missing just one there. It never had one on there. Little kind of quality control problem. So, get ready to eat this. Alexa, set timer for 1 minute.
1 minute, starting now.
And the timer has not sounded yet, so I ate them in less than a minute. Yep, there's the sound of the timer. Alexa, stop. So, this pack is already empty. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Check out some of my other videos on the Mega Pet Productions YouTube channel, as well as my other channel, Nauglefest, Nauglefest, and Mega Pet is spelled Megapet Productions, just like making a production. So, my name's Christian Naugle. nice to meet you if you've met me for the first time. It's whatever. I do interesting little videos and all that every once in a while. Interesting little factoid information based kind of stuff, and of course humor. So I'm just going to conclude eating those candy buttons for tonight anyway. Gotta save some for tomorrow.